Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link your phone with your Windows PC using QR code and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is search for phone link and open this, and then what you need to do is download phone link from your Play Store and your mobile as well. Once you download both things in your PC and mobile, what you need to do is sign in with the same account and then click continue. Here what you need to do is just click on get started, and then a QR code will appear here. You just have to scan the QR code and it will automatically connect to your PC. As you can see, I've already connected to my PC Pixel 7 Pro. So yeah, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can make a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.